Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up as Lana on Dress to Impress. So first, the hair. Obviously, we're going to use this iconic hair. And for the custom makeup, we are going to use this. You can also use the free one if you choose to. Also, I'm dressing up as the first Lana. Like as the one from her childhood. Select these pants and select the shirt. Turn the graphic off and then change the color. And then you are going to use this belt and you're going to color it white. Then you're going to use the shoes, and that's it for the first Lana. The second Lana, I can't get the custom makeup right because actually she changed her custom makeup. As you can see, she looks different now. So this is the attempt that I had on it. This one. But if you want to dress up as like the old OG Lana, you can use this makeup instead. For the outfit, she uses these heels and she colors it white. And then she uses this top, colors it white as well with the turtleneck enabled. And then for this skirt, she uses this. And voila, that is pretty much it. I know she looks different now, but I can't get the custom makeup correct, but she used to have this type of face. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.